Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So we are here again for a new video reaction. As you can see, we are going to go through this video, series of video. In fact, we have three things to share with you on this very particular video. And all I want from you is you making sure that you like the video, subscribe to the channel in case if you have not, and make sure you like the video, share it to many group of your choice. Let us know your own take by putting your comment on this particular video. As you can see, we are trying to record this with this kind of method because we are this is a quick reaction, to be honest with you. So you don't want to waste much time or trying to stream it live, just for you to have a quick update on what is going on, that those things that we felt that it's worth sharing, for you to have it, and make sure that you do your best to support us in any way you can. So we are going to start by listening to this our brother, what he said based on what Igbo people are made of and what happened before. Let us hear him because so you have an idea of what is playing out and just be a partaker to that.
Ị hụrụ ngwa agha ahụ ndị Igbo ji aka ha rụọ nke ahụ mgbe a nọ na-arụ ka arụta amụta nke mmadụ ga-anọ n'ime ya na-erugharị ya nke ahụ mgbe a rụrụ nke abụọ ebe a na-eme ka arụta ya arụtaghị ya nke mbụ nọkwa ihe mere anyị ji na-akọ ihe awụ ọ dị mkpa na ndị Igbo ga-amata onwe ha o nwere ndị anyị o nwere ihe menwere o nwere ihe mere anyị Igbo ọ dịghị otu anyị ga-esi bụrụ ihe anyị bụ Chineke kere anyị ka anyị bụrụ ma ihe meghị omenala nna anyị ihe niile Chineke ji gọzie anyị dịka ndị Igbo dị n'ime ala nna anyị ọ gwara mgbe ọbụla anyị mere ihe aha ala si ka eme ọ ga-adịrị anyị na mgbe ụjọ fụ ga-eli Igbo ọ ga-adịrị Igbo na mma Igbo mma mmanụ.
So
ngwa agha ahụ ndị Igbo ji
okay,
aka ha rụọ
let me allow you to repeat again.
amụta nke mmadụ ga-anọ n'ime ya na-erugharị ya nke ahụ mgbe a rụrụ nke abụọ ebe a na-eme ka arụta ya arụtaghị ya nke mbụ nọkwa ihe mere anyị ji na-akọ ihe awụ ọ dị mkpa na ndị Igbo ga-amata onwe ha o nwere ndị anyị o nwere ihe menwere o nwere ihe mere anyị Igbo ọ dịghị otu anyị ga-esi bụrụ ihe anyị bụ Chineke kere anyị ka anyị bụrụ ma ihe meghị omenala nna anyị ihe niile Chineke ji gọzie anyị dịka ndị Igbo dị n'ime ala nna anyị ọ gwara mgbe ọbụla anyị mere ihe aha ala si ka eme.
So that is it, and I want to share this with us. Okay, you already know what the man said, trying to remind you of who you are and what you are made of, what our forefathers or our parents, the effort they put together during the first push to freedom. Now, as you can see here, this is a short clip of Commander Thunder that appeared on question and answer program that USB organized a few days ago. So this person made this post and said, Nti Odekwa, Commander Thunder speak to Biafrans last night. From the question and answer, can you please listen how Relay Commander is speaking? Oh, and he said very soon, Igwe Butozo will speak to Biafrans. Oh, no more online commander. We have only one USB. Now, this post is the way this our brother or this our sister that owns this account felt, right? But the reason why I want to share this with us is this: just pay attention so you can understand it. You see, just take a look at this picture. Okay, this particular picture here, as you can see here, this very one. Now, this picture is what Royce, the one invisible Royce, is warning Biafrans not to use that. In fact, that anybody that shared this picture, according to him, we are going to see that the person's page or a platform that he will take it down. Remember, this guy is number one person after Sonak Barawa. Okay, that don't joke with threatening people. He don't joke with it. Everything is about threatening, and he have never stopped. Now, I want you to understand that Nti or the okay, this is the platform. Now, let us hear from Commander Thunder. Then after that we go to Roy's threat, because that is, to me, it's not a speech, it's a threat. Now let us hear from that. Here you will listen to. You meet yourself again. Yeah, remove your hand from there. Go ahead.
Should I go ahead?
Go ahead.
Am I coming asking?
Yes.
Okay. I am Commander Thunder from Federal Camp, Osumu Wanosi Ituba, under our Triple G, General Tuzo. We represent, we work under the United States of Biafra worldwide. We have only one government, the one we declared on 29th in Ladi, Finland, under the surrogate of Ngozi Rabeze. Our able Prime Minister, Mazi Samone Banjoko, and our spring leader, Mazi Nandi, Chisteloku Kanu, Wakabaka one of Biafra land, Ahamadike Ndibu, Oko Kajie, Anungangampi. Who led the template how you gonna be? And later tell our you should follow new dimension. And new dimension we are. Don't let Satan use you. It's a word given to our PM. And that word C goes to DPM to protect the mandates as a thorough grade. Under one government, under one United States of government, now we are.
Now, this is the Commander Thunder speaking. This is Commander Thunder speaking. You can hear him the way he talk and everything. The question is, what did he say here that warrant threat? What did he say here that warrant threat? You are going to hear that.
Who led the template how you gonna be? And later tell our you should follow new dimension. And new dimension we are. Don't let Satan use you. It's a word given to our PM. And that word C goes to DPM to protect the mandates as a thorough grade. Under one government, under one United States of government, now we are one United States of Biafra, where our leaders stand, our Samuel stand, and our Dr. Ngozi Rebeze, who is the Deputy Prime Minister, the COS.
Now, did you notice anything wrong with what he said? I don't think you do. I don't even notice anything wrong either. Now, let's hear the second one because I want us to hear the part.
On 29 December or 29 November 2024.
Just a moment.
On 29 December.
This is the second part of his speech. Wait, excuse me. Excuse me. Now, this is the second part of his speech. Keep on monitoring what he said. Did he say anything wrong that warrants threat? Just ask that question while listening to this. Did he say anything that warrants threat or insult? Listen.
On 29 December or 29 November 2024. More able to your work. Only Chukwu will bless you. What you brought to in our land. All the four corners of Biafra land will bless you. In Eke, Oye, Afo, Nko, Onwere ọgwụ onye mmadụ bụ ụgwọ n'ụwa ya emete gị. Ada na Ewo. Imgo Biafra. We are not going back. Not going back. In a chance of one week, I need to go. Open now, you could guide you in a very when a woman from America get up to declare Biafra, no say Biafra will come. I will not declare Biafra by myself. According to my understanding, they can go and listen to the audio. When Biafra said they will declare Biafra on their own, we are now a government. We move with the speed. We are in Biafra land directly now. I'm calling from Federal Camp. The general the Triple G. Very soon he will speak to Biafra, I believe. And the Biafra will understand that the treaty that have expired, we are doing the next and we are hearing the scores. The soldiers are back their road go. No only Bago and all this Udogachi with this and now we work because it's our brother.
Now, did you hear the part where he said he's our brother? Somebody with conscience. Anyway, that's the story for another day. But let us also pay close attention one more time to the write-up of this our brother here. Let's start from And okay, can you please listen how really commander is speaking? Oh, and he said very soon Igwe Butoso will speak to Biafran. You have listened to that, so it's no more they say. Remember I told you to pay attention to this picture, this particular picture here. Remember I said that pay attention to this picture because this picture happened to be the reason why uh, this guy called Royce choose to misbehave. Okay, and we are going to listen to that what he said about it. Some of you that are aware of it, you can testify. Okay, now this is a threat from Commander. Did I say Commander? From Royce. Look at the picture here. That picture that I just shared with you here. You can see it here, direct from his platform. And ịma ndị Igbo na-ekwekwa sị onye chọcha ebe ọ ga-abịada aka fọrọ ya bịada ya n'ikpere. Ifu ịchọta ebe ị ga-ewụsa aka gị ịdọ na ala ịtụkwala ala chọọ maybe you want to place your hand somewhere you don't know where to put your hand. Idozi ya n'ikpere. Naturally ebe aka ga-afọ ga-abụ n'ikpere gị. Then he said this. Remember, we are not adding anything or subtracting anything. We are reporting this direct from his platform. I'm not the one that say he should write it. I'm not the one that say he should threat. Now read it with me. The idiotic USB members must stop using this picture of mine. Okay, the picture this particular picture. Let me show it again. That this is his picture. Sometimes ago, I remember when somebody shared a picture of this guy or so, where, not, did I say this guy? A picture of something like this, image like this, with kind of fire, what graphic image like that, the graphic design. And that picture, he claimed that he's his own. People should not use it either. Now, he said, stop using this picture of mine. If you claim one lunatic, he's calling Thunder. This our brother, their brother that spoke, a lunatic that called himself Commander Thunder is on your side. I don't have any issue with that. He always say you don't have an issue, but you have a lot of issue. Go and listen to this. Go and read most of his posts. He will tell you, like when he threatened Kenena TV, that I don't have issue with you supporting anybody you want to support, but you want to support, but Biafra is not for you. Once you come there, you are banned. You are being banished. I don't understand. You went to Biafra one day, whether like having your freedom. Biafra, you have gotten it by declaring it, but like everything is now fully independent and everything is under our control, like people. Yet you are telling people that you ban and banish and all that, but you have never. That's why I said people without common sense are following them. They are very fast to threaten their fellow brother, but ignore those that made their leader to be in prison. Can you beat that? Can you beat that? That's the highest of it all. He said the same way. That's the way the threat starts. The same way Commander Zuma went, he too will go same way. Are you following it? Tomorrow I say him bam bam and hope any post like that. Today's date, okay, the day that he made this post, it happened to be April 12th, a few days ago. Today is 14. Can you imagine? 2 days later, we are reading it. And he said, the same way Commander Zuma went, he too will go, same way. Now, some of you are still wondering who is responsible because I remember they said, even he made a post that he warned Zuma not to follow Nkosor Abese, that they promised Zuma to, that Nkosor Abese promised Zuma to be the general commander and dethrone Butoso, that therefore Commander Zuma believed that, and because he believed that, he wants to be general of generals. They promised him that he's going to make you general. That's why, out of his greedy and his stupidity, he followed Nkosor Abese. Today, Nkosor Abese have sold him to army, and he's no more. Then, after telling you that was the post then. After saying those things, even many of them, oh, what happened to Zuma? Zuma, so you promised Zuma, you want to make Zuma this. Today, when Zuma is gone, because Fulani is working with the Nigerian government. Now, the guy have turned 360, telling you, bragging that the same way this one go, another one will go. Meaning, if your hand is not in what happened to Zuma, then why are you using what happened to Zuma to threaten another person? Very just simple common sense. Many of you that refuse to use your brain and always, oh, like one said to my commission last night, the money that Inconsol Advisor paid you, let it last, let it enjoy it while it lasts. I don't understand you. You are very senseless. You think that money is everything? Between me and you, can you swear that we have? Let me say this. For some of you that will say something later, maybe you are planning to come to my platform. Oh, they pay you money. Be sure of what I'm saying. Otherwise, whatever I say, whatever I declare will land on your head. For some threatening people, like I listened to the video of Ajere saying that he's going to write names of progress journalists on dead tree, and people can so diabolic. What kind of what kind of reference is that? I mean, what kind of freedom are you trying to get? That Nigeria will be paradise than in Anokwa. Even Masakane said that if that is the reference that you want to come, then we want to bring, then let the reference not come. In one of his broadcasts, where he was trying to warn our people that the way things are going shouldn't be the way it is. You have to come with a clean hand and pure heart. That if you want to build another senseless entity, that you are just dreaming, that's not the type of reference that you want. Who would just jump from that kind of from pine to fire? Who would do that? Nobody. He said the same way Commander Zuma went, he too will go the same way. But let him post. Then he said, but let him post his own picture to you, not when one told to speak. Is it the spelling of told? Okay, tout, you mean, okay. Not when one tout speaks, enough speaks. You people will use one of my, can you imagine? One of my picture to represent him. Enough is enough. Useless USB. A bunch of lunatic USB that is failed, that is failed with pages will start going down. Okay, Nekwe Genti. Nekwe Genti. And I'm not even read this part, to be honest with you. He said that enough is enough, useless USB, bunch of lunatic, USB that is filled with vigors, okay, and digbats. I will not warn you all again, or your page or your pages will start going down from this very moment. Try it again and see how we roll. This picture is forbidden for all USB idiots. Signed, General Commander Royce. Where's the proposal that you normally have before the Gento busted your bubble? Because Gento, do you understand that immediately Gento made a video and said that this guy, that he's just creating content, that nobody know him from the base. He said that we must not know everybody that's in army like this. There's some commanders that he made that are secret. You don't know. That's not God. That's a secret. You don't know everybody. You cannot know everybody. He started giving you lecture about how commander work. I thought Taluja never even goes. So some of them never, not everybody anyway. So you can see that, and this post, people should take note of it, because I know not get deny it and no distant time. They will deny it. God bless you, my people. Make sure you like the video. I want to hear from you. What is your own take? I see you again. I wanted to go to comment section, but somehow it's a waste of time. I know, many of you would like to read what I said. Okay, let's read maybe one or two. Let's see if we can check one or two, just one or two, and see if there's anything meaningful to make up from that. As you can see here, they have 54 comments. Okay, I think I have bypassed that. Did I? Okay. Now, this is User people. Okay, this is another one. Let me see how to locate this comment because I'm recording it this way. Let me see how to locate it. Okay. Now this one says not good, not good. Someone will run more than each shadow. Okay, there's another person. This evil, any bloody U.S. Nigerian terrorist chargers can never be proud of their evil, but always steal other genuine Biafran identity and belong. Look at the. I'm a full picture of this. Oh, somebody your identity is this. Ọkwa onye na-ekwu identity and ọkwa nwata nwaanyị Chichi ụmụ nwaanyị nke ikpeazụ ajụ na oge Nkere camp. Is that how the level of criminality of women that we have in our midst today? This man Vision 555 think he can threaten everybody and go scot-free. You connived with your fellow Nigerian terrorist army to buy Commander Zuma and now you are threatening to still carry out same betrayal and stage and sabotage against the freedom of our people. We are watching you. Now, remember, I just want you to cast your mind back when Zuma issues surfaced, or their own line of defense. They were pushing it on Ngosa Rabesa. The same way they're pushing everything going on at Ngosa Rabesa. DOS 2.0. Online roles, real commander don't have strong networks like you. Like you, 24 hours. Stop deceiving yourself. You are okay. Remote control. Work for yourself. People are taking note, very, very good note of what is going on. Now that one they tire me for all these US Nigerian gossip people. Let them use their material, but no, they was. So you guys actually believe that there's somebody with mass is Royce. See, the hand that removed these people's battery is quite strong, very, very strong. He said the USB chargers have nothing to show, but uh, plagiarize still and everywhere they are they can and stop it off with lies in their mo. I don't know what it mean by that. Their days are numbered. Ife ji maroon, their days are numbered. Kpai maka na izolu ndị nke godosis ndị mmadụ ike gwụkwa. Honestly, ike gwụ. This one said, okay, let me follow them. I am unfollowing this lunatic called Royce. Mba nọ ebe ahụ makụrụ ebe ahụ makụrụ na platform ndị ike gwụ. Useless and fake commander has spoken idiot with no identity. Odogo said, I saw it when one idiot posted it and tell their fellow idiot that he is busy. That is why he is not active online. I laughed, and same idiot will believe him. I don't understand what you can call it here. Guy, you know, get rest. So the comment is you can see that here and content creator roles which picture criminal. I wonder which picture are you talking about anyway. Now the issue is where he claimed that he's in the bush as a commander, and yet he can be able to operate software to take down pages. That's how we roll. Zuma, fuck up, Sha, who one by no they really no they really they get sense. You get person like Ross, you are saved, but you must listen to each command. They're all the same. I can count people that are criticizing others, and look at the commander. Look at the commander Gentle showing his face. This guy was a few days ago mourning about it that he told the Gentle to hide his face and all that blah blah blah. Then your own is hidden as a commander, yet you are tougher than Gentle. Can you beat that? Crazy people everywhere. Anyway, my people, like I said, please like the video and tell me what you think about it. Many criminals in our land, so many that claim that they are following PM. Today, if PM come out now, PM have two choices: to lose some people and to work with some people. That's just the fact. Because if PM come out now and said that they are wrong, they will fire PM. If PM come out now and said that they are right, many people will believe him. I don't think people will fight him. Like me now, if he come out and said that okay, Nkere is the best and all that, I will not fight him, but I will just distance myself. That's just me. I will just distance myself. So and watching without dragging anything with anybody, because my own is that your opinion should be your opinion. Do what you want to do on your own corner. Let's see. I'm not telling you that the people will be putting in an target store, or they say they get trapped. No, I don't believe in that. But let that thing that you claim that you know how to do best, go out there and do it. Let's see how the outcome will be. Let us see it, because you cannot just claim that you are what you are not. It doesn't work that way. Okay, these people are haters. IPOB in Nigeria, obedient and wannabes. I have never seen a bunch of dump in my life. They said Biafra is an independent nation. One was asking for Biafran passport to go to Biafra. They are opening an embassy in DC. When we this stop, report the Okoko. Can you imagine? Senseless elements. The same thing that US did. So now you don't have any right to criticize US anymore, because that's exactly what you are doing. There's no difference between you and US then. Michael, thank you so much for your time, and God bless you all. See you again. Bye bye for now.